Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First let me introduce myself. My name is Nita Dwi Aderatri from Chemical Engineering of Polytechnic LPB Yogyakarta, number 1901008. On this occasion, I would like to read my essay entitled The Usage of Filter Cake in Sugar Industry. The usage of filtered cake in sugar industry. Maximum sugar production so far has not been able to reach the target of sugar self-sufficiency due to decreased harvest quality and yield. Weak productivity, high cost of production of GKP, which makes sugar prices less competitive. Policy conflict between ministries of agencies, refined import shipped into the consumer market. Horse topping milling is still around 6%. Planting time and harvest time are not quite right. The amount of government intervention, the shift from paddy field with cold weather to dry or dry land. National sugar self-sufficiency should be achieved considering that Indonesia has so many sugar factories and large sugarcane plantations where some of the sugar factories have been removed and are increasingly modern, such as PG Gempol Crab, PG Joykir, PG Jombang Baru, PG Gadirejo, and PG New Islamic Boarding School. The fundamental problem at present and in the future is the difficulty of sugar mills in Indonesia in obtaining margin profits, and some have lost due to high operating costs, inefficiencies at on-farm and off-farm levels, and low levels of productivity. Singh and Thomas 1089 in Triwulan dari S. Dewayana et al. 2011 explain the productivity and efficiency are two important aspects of performance. This means that performance improvements are needed to obtain operating profits through performance measurement, both tactile performance measurement, operating performance, and strategic performance measurement. A large processing industry, such as processing factories, will certainly produce waste as the remainder of the production process carried out. The waste will have an impact on the environment, like what happens in the sugar industry, which produces waste in the form of filter cake. Although filter cake is included as waste from the sugar industry, it can be used as another byproduct, namely fertilizer. Filter cake or filter press mud is industrial waste produced by sugar factories from the sugar clarification process. The accumulation of these materials in large quantities will be a source of environmental pollution. Filter cake consists mostly of sugar fibers and is a source of organic elements which are very important for the formation of soil humus. Filter cake is a serious problem for sugar factories and the surrounding community. In the rainy season, the pile of filter cake is wet, causing a foul odor and polluting the environment. The sugar factory moves in from the factory environment to lease community land. Filter cake is a sugar factory waste containing carbon, nitrogen, phosphate, potassium, and other minerals, which be used as an alternative raw material for making organic fertilizer through the composting method, and its availability is quite abundant. To obtain quality organic fertilizer from the main raw material for filter cake, it is carried out through aerobic composting, which the agitation method in the filter cake variants of 100%, 80%, and 60% per kilogram vs. And as a mixture use good manure with variance of 0%, 20%, and 40%, and the addition of fine grained dolomite and xyloid as an Eric Hammond material of 15%. Plotong treatment with an amount of 100% and without the addition of additives is a control. Based on the article roadbroken.wordpress.com, the process using the organic fertilizer is not complicated. After being dried in the sun for several weeks or months to air in the open, it is intended to reduce the temperature and excess nitrogen content. By continuing to use inorganic fertilizer as a started from their experience after saying that filter cake could burn, and the thought arose to use filter cake as a substitute for firewood by removing the water content contained therein. Easy to use as firewood. The prince is a size that is easy to transport and according to the much of the stove in their kitchen. At this time, the use of filter cake among others as an alternative full in the form of biscuits. For the manufacture of filter cake biscuits, they are compacted and then dried. The advantage of using filter cake biscuits is that they are cheaper than firewood and other foods. However, to make this biscuit, it takes quite a long time, between 4 to 7 days of drying. Besides that, it also depends on weather conditions. At this time, more and more people are using filter cake as a substitute for household fuel for firewood. Alright, that is an essay that I have read. Hopefully useful. Sorry if there is any mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.